Hello everyone, I am Albert Ligarci Pincalen, a proud graduate of the University of Eastern Philippines, Pedro Ribadulla Memorial Campus, Batch 2013. I finished Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. After completing my degree and securing my license, I rendered 4 years teaching in the Department of Education in one of the national high schools in Northern Samar. After rendering 4 years in the Department of Education, I tried to apply in an international school, and fortunately, I landed a teaching career here in Surabaya, Indonesia. Presently, I am still teaching English, and I am 6 years here. Aside from teaching, I am also a content creator and a writer. The university molded me for who I am today, personally and professionally. The rigorous academic setting at UEPPRM campus, especially within the College of Education, helped me develop a solid foundation in English, refining my language skills and critical thinking skills. Kaya palagi kong binabalikan ang pamantasang humubog sa akin bilang tao at bilang Filipino. My stint in the university was not just about gaining knowledge. It was about growing as an individual, learning how to navigate challenges, and understanding the profound impact I could have as an educator. Again, I am Albert Ligarci Pincalen, and I am forever grateful to the University of Eastern Philippines, Pedro Ribadulla Memorial Campus, for bringing out the best in me. Padayon ngan salamat sa iyong tanan.